Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about the CountA function in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. The CountA function allows the user to count the number of data that are present in a certain set of cells. Excel would try to count any cell that has data in it and disregard empty cells. To further explain what the function does, let's go straight ahead for an example. First, type the function CountA. Next, go ahead and select the range of data that you are going to count. Note that empty cells will be disregarded when counting the data. Since currently, we can observe that there are 5 empty cells out of 25, then we can guess immediately that we are going to get a value of 20. Let's go ahead and check it. And there we go. We got a value of 20. Now, if we try to delete a value in our selection, the number goes down. And if we try to add anything, like the letter A, or the number 2, or a period, then the number goes up. And that is how we make use of the CountA function in Microsoft Excel. If this video helped you in any way, please leave a like and comment on what I should do next. You can also subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for updates on our future videos. Once again, this is Gab, signing out.